Easter is a Christian holiday that celebrates the resurrection of Jesus Christ from the dead, as described in the New Testament of the Bible. It is considered the most important event in Christianity, and is observed on the first Sunday after the first full moon, following the vernal equinox, typically occurring between late March and late April. Easter is often associated with various traditions, including the Easter Bunny, Easter eggs, and special church services. Christians celebrate Easter primarily to commemorate the resurrection of Jesus Christ, which is central to their faith. According to Christian belief, Jesus was crucified on Good Friday and rose from the dead 3 days later, on Easter Sunday. His resurrection is seen as a symbol of victory over sin and death, offering believers the hope of eternal life. Easter is a time of joy and celebration, marking the culmination of the events of Holy Week and the fulfillment of God's promise of redemption. Additionally, Easter serves as a reminder of God's love and the opportunity for spiritual renewal and transformation. The Easter holiday is observed by Christians worldwide as a time of spiritual significance and celebration. It typically includes various religious customs and traditions, such as attending church services, participating in special liturgies, and reflecting on the events of Holy Week, including Jesus' crucifixion and resurrection. In addition to its religious aspects, Easter is also celebrated in many cultures with secular customs and traditions. These may include decorating Easter eggs, organizing egg hunts for children, exchanging gifts, and enjoying festive meals with family and friends. The Easter Bunny, a popular symbol of the holiday in some cultures, is often associated with bringing Easter eggs and treats to children. Overall, Easter is a time for both religious observance and joyful festivities, bringing communities together in commemoration and celebration.